Have you ever worn a beautiful outfit but still felt like something just looked off? The truth is, it's usually not the outfit, it's the body type styling. Hi, my name is Nilansha, the designer at Label Nilansha Jain, and today I'm going to help you decide the perfect Indian wear that will flatter your body type, because the right fit can literally change how you look and feel. Every body is beautiful, but different silhouettes enhance different body types. Once you understand this, shopping becomes easier, styling becomes smarter, and you'll know what works best for you. So let's break it down into the most common 5 body types. The first is the pear-shaped body, which means your hips are comparatively broader than your shoulders and your upper body is smaller. For this kind of body type, let me show you the perfect outfit. So the goal here is simple. We need to balance the upper and the lower bodies, for which I would suggest something like this with a very detailed blouse style, a detailed neckline and detailed sleeve style with a flowy silhouette. This is our Naira Lehenga and it will be absolutely perfect because it draws the attention to your upper body, to your collarbone, your neck, and it automatically enhances your upper body. The next up is the apple body shape, which basically means you have broader shoulders with fuller midsection and slimmer legs. The key here is to give you vertical length with structure to your body. What works best for you is long anarkalis, structured jackets, layered dupattas or flowy silhouettes. Like the one here, which is our Ronak Anarkali. This one has got an Angrakha Empire waist, which automatically enhances your lower chest, which is the lowest part of your entire body for anybody. And the longer lower half of this Anarkali gives you vertical length, gives you a better structure, the perfect form. Next up is the hourglass body shape, which means your hips and your shoulders are balanced with a defined waist. The goal here is very simple: enhance your waistline and give you a proper fitted outfit that will enhance your silhouette, not take away from it. So I think our Aya Lehenga is absolutely perfect for all the hourglass girlies. This structured blouse with a defined waistline and flowy lehenga is going to empower your curves and not overpower them, give you the perfect structure. Next up is the rectangular body shape, which means you have similar measurements for your shoulder, your waist and your hips. So the goal here is very simple. We need to provide an illusion of curves to your body. For that, I think I would suggest our Rangotsav Lehenga. The 3 color combination here adds movement and the flare gives you the added dimension, making your waist look smaller than your upper and your lower body. If you are petite, meaning shorter height and smaller frame, the key is to elongate your silhouette. So something like this, which is a slim anarkali with vertical embroidery and less layering, is perfect for you. I would suggest to avoid any kind of overly bulky silhouette because that can overpower your frame. As a designer, I always tell my clients this: the right outfit should enhance you, not hide you. When we design at Label Nilansha Jain, we make sure to provide you the perfect fit as per your height, body shape and comfort level. So, tell me in the comments below, what body shape do you think you are? And if you want more designer secrets about Indian wear styling, wedding outfits and fabrics, then make sure to subscribe to our channel.